Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to uh, create Revit architecture 3D model. Basically 3D view presentation, how to show you 3D model in our Revit project. So first of all, when get create the according to plane, front, top, right, whatever. Look at this here, top selection. If you want get front selection, so click the front views, click the side view. Look at here, drag and go to front view, and also drag here. We will do whatever which plane you want. Get the start from design before selection particular plane. I want get right plane, so click drag here left, and also get here front side, and again right side and back side, top side, bottom side. So there are many types of here available in AutoCAD. So right now look at this here, first create in plan and top plane. When get start from wall design, here the wall selection, this is wall, we get the selection in particular size of wall. Then start from working in this workspace Revit architecture. Then here start from particular area, and they are the default height, but we get change particular height 4000, 5000, whatever. Let's start the 2D plan here. This is the wall design in top plane. So top plane presentation, how to get. So let's first start this point here, click the point. Now here you can see that start from the point in here the create this one. When I get the distance particular, it is continue provide the distance. If I give 6000, so when I get 6000 enter, they have complete the 6000 for dimension. Then again I will come from down direction in this here, so we will provide the 10,000 right now in projection here. 8,000 I get 10,000 I have go to. Look at this one has been created. Then also turn from this way, and also 6000 again I will show you. Then get 2000. Then if I create the plan here in particular size also, so when get particular here you can see that if I make any diagram like that, just like making a small partition here, so it is create the partition like that, and also get I create here partition. So look at this. So if I make this again, go to partition here, so when I get partition diagram, and if I want to change for particular distance, so when I get the click here and change for this dimension 626 here, and if I get change here, so whatever, if I get change and exit right now, if I change this click this particular line, their particular size and shape, it is provide. If you get change here, so when get the change, and here you can see that. Now this one has been create the top view, but I want get front view. So like this front view here, and like right view. So both of us looking this front view, right view, but I want get select this all whole body and this 8000 their height, but I want change this height is 4000. So when put down 4000, because this is the default height, but I want get our requirement according to I have down. Then again another view I have go to right. This one again I will provide this 4000 distance here. So this particular height has been changed. When again show you the another distance, so this plane I have go to change here. So when click this 4000, if I want whole body selection, again I will here. So look at this, when I go to how to show you 3D model, because now I am looking this only 2D types of model and front, top, right, but I want looking this whole diagram in 3D design. So where are find the 3D design? Look at this here, you can see that view. Look here, view here. When get the enter view, just enter view, then also look at this one is 3D view. When again enter the 3D view, our whole diagram looking like 3D view in isometric form. Look at this, have convert the 3D view, but some wall has not the resize, so I get click one time to both wall here. Again I will show you every wall selection one time. All wall has selected and get the change dimension height 4000. So see, this whole diagram has been changed right now, and this is our 3D design. If I want get change this particular view here, so it is very easily to remove in our projection right now. This 3D design has been changed. I want get provide the wall and door here, so this is the door right now. If I get provide just when I get provide the how to get 3D view in Revit here. So look at this, it is create the many different door selection, and also get here and this one, and also selection for this one. If I want to change the particular height and width, so there doesn't matter, it is very easy to change here. When I get change any particular door and size here, so look at this. First I have go to click and change the distance is 1000 near in the door here, and also get here we can change 1000. They are the default taking for the length and height, but our requirement according I have give this particular length and height properly. When again I will show you the door here and also show you window right now. So here you can see that according to door it is existing and properly apply the window here. Window is also change in particular height, width and length according to requirement. They are not, the matter is not changing, but it is very easily to change from here you can see that. So look at this, when I get change in particular door size. So let's click here, and if I want provide the height is 800, so it's provide the 800. So this is the change in properly for window and door connection for home design. So let's go. Today has completed the session. Today I am discuss about how to presenting for 3D view. If there are the different views here, top, front, right, and if you click this here, so particular turnout our homes, our planning, and you can click this go to particular plane here. So today has completed this session, and thank you. Do like and subscribe our channel.